Okay, so here I'm going to tackle this barking dog scroll saw pattern. This also came from Snapchat.ai. It's got some challenges. Got a lot of floaters there. I've got them marked. All of these will be floaters. Well, that won't be. I'm going to connect it right there. I'm going to connect it right in there. That'll be a floater. That'll be a floater. I'm going to connect this right here so I don't have to make that extra piece there. So I'm going to come in and probably cut the eye and that little whisker area right there first. And then I'll come and free these floaters up and take them out of the way. Now this is a 1/8 inch Baltic birch plywood. This is basically one big cut once I get those pieces out. And then I got this area that represents the barking of the dog and of course the tail. Now, again, there's some challenges there. This is Baltic birch. It shouldn't break real easy, but you're going to have some fragile spots. The reason I got to cut in a specific order so that I don't put some stress on like a joint like that right there. That's probably the most delicate part of this piece. These are somewhat, but not as bad. The other issue I'm going to have with it is I don't have a large piece of material here. I kind of like to make an oval of some kind and mount it on a backing board like I did the cat. And I'm not sure how symmetrical I'm going to be able to get it. I just have to deal with that once I get there. But I'll get it mounted on something, make it look as symmetrical as I can. So I'm going to cut this with the number 3. And got me some tape for a 0 tolerance so I don't lose these pieces through the hole in the scroll saw table. So let me get over the scroll saw. Now I'll start with this right here, and then I'll free up all these floaters, and then it'll be other than these, there'll be a couple of cuts to finish the thing, and then I'll figure out how I'm going to outline it. Okay, so I got it cut, glued together. I just cut the backing board in line with the little piece. That was a piece of scrap. I just had to cut it the best I could. I didn't really have enough to make a oval that was symmetrical. This way I'm going to finish it. It's got a little bit of a sealer on it. I got a hanger on it, and it hangs pretty well straight. I'll put a photo of that up. So that's all I've got right now in the pipeline for AI generated patterns. I'm going to experiment with that some more. And I don't have anything right now that's worthy of being made a video of, but I'll play with that some more. I'm not sure what my next video is going to be. This is Monday of Thanksgiving week, so I don't know, I'll get another video out. I do a lot of the cooking for Thanksgiving. It's just me and my wife, but I try to make my mother's homemade cornbread dressing for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I'll be starting working on that the next couple of days. And I won't do much over the 4-day weekend. So if you like that, hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see what I do next, because I'm not even sure myself. I'll surprise myself too. So I hope you like that, and I hope to see you in the next video.